guys, we're here in the car. I just came from a really long meeting this morning about the house, and I think it is due time for us to have a break from house building. Kaya ayan, ngayon kami ay nagro-road trip para pumunta sa
sa Bulacan.
Bulacan. So we're going to a resort. So our friends actually asked if game kami, because yun nga, kailangan din nila mag-rest and recharge, and lalo na ngayon long weekend. So we're like, you know what, why not? So ngayon, we're here, we're on our way, medyo naulan lang. Nauna na sila and kami, pahabol pa lang. So sana maabutan namin na may araw pa papunta doon. So we'll show you guys around and where we're going, kasi I think this is gonna be a fun weekend, hopefully.
We've been there before sa Cabins Resort. Okay naman siya, fun, very chill, very relaxed. And one of the good things that we like pag may pinupuntahan kami, masarap yung food. Sarap yung food nila. Yung pizza nila, no? Naalala ko. Yun yung masarap. So it's gonna be a chill weekend. You know, we can't really afford to fly out or go abroad or anything because very, very tight ang budget namin ngayon because of the house building. So yung ganitong road trip na malapitan lang, pasok na pasok sa namin, kakayanan namin ngayon.
It's quite a long weekend, so we're just here to enjoy. I didn't bring anything, work laptop, document, whatnot. Wala akong dinala. We'll show you guys around when we get there.
Boss, yung sa cabin nila, Benedicto?
We just arrived. Gabi na. Tulog pa. Ayan na. We are approaching the house. Here's, ay, may palaka. Ang daming palaka. Oh my god. Ayan na. Si Broski. Ayan na si Broski. Wala!
Sakto, bago buksak yung ulan.
Abu, nagising na siya.
Good morning. So I just woke up and it's 9 o'clock and no one is awake. I'm just here alone by the pool. Hindi pa ako nagba-breakfast, so I'm not sure if we can still eat breakfast or our friends already ate breakfast. Wala pa ako sa wisyo. Mag-aayos lang ako muna. So, nag-breakfast kami. Tapos di nyo nakita. Sabi ko kanina, papakita ko yung breakfast. Pero nagutom kami. So, longganisa lang naman yun.
Yeah.
And we are off swim. Wala naman talaga kaming gagawin sa bakasyon na to. Yun ang point.
Daming tao sa pool.
I know.
The sunset pool, but the other pool.
The house pool. Yan yung itsura ng house during the day.
God loves
noise.
House.
Sana all pantay yung ding-ding.
Ganda nung branding. I'll show you the Instagram. Buhay pa yun
Guess who been Chondo?
Ako gumawa ng logo yun, di ba? Yes.
I think so, yes. It was you. Ito, ganda ng namin. We collab pa with Trixie's Cookies.
Yeah.
Uy,
We
ganda.
made Marlo cookies,
Diba?
right?
Kabasket ko lang yung gawa ng photography.
So, nag-swimming kami ngayon and witness our Olympic prowess.
So elegant. So much finesse.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, Bea's trying to rescue a frog. He's trying to rescue the frog.
Come on, go that way.
Where is the frog?
Feeling ko dun yung pinaka-pwede siyang lumabas eh. Go na.
Come on, dude. We're trying to help you. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Yes! Okay.
Na-stun siya.
He's there. He's like, oh.
You can find your rest, I think.
Yeah, he's there. Here's our lunch.
Oh, yung wine opener ko
And then there's
Wala man tayong dalang wine.
cheese and bacon cream. Swimming pa sila. Whee! Kain na!
Kain na.
Yan, pag-swimming na kami. And we are. Hala, umitim na ako.
Umitim ka na?
Oo. Yeah. Cancel nyo na yan, cancel nyo na yan. So we're now having our coffee made by him.
Okay ba?
Anong ginawa mong kape?
I made a drip coffee using Starbucks beans. Padala sila ng beans, so nag-grind na ako para may mabaon.
Your favorite. Okay, look. Here. Here. Naks. Coffee enthusiast.
Enthusiast? Ano yan? Magaling ako magkape, so gagawa akong coffee shop.
Galing eh. Here are our pastries. Ooh, croissants. Here are croissants.
Kailangan may accent. Croissant.
Yeah, croissant. More croissants. And, uy, ang bango. Are Danish. And there are cronuts.
Okay, this is mine, Ed.
Yeah?
Thank you.
I have mine here.
Yeah. Coffee
Kuha mo yung food
made
shot.
by.
Food shot ka.
Yan.
Lagyan natin ng...
Ano review naman kayo ng kape? Sa ano lasa ng kape niya?
Dapat from the top.
Alin. Ayan na.
Nakalagay yung kape. Oo. Tama ba yan?
Yeah.
Yung pastries, hindi ko gawa yan. Pero yung coffee, gawa ko yan. Oh! Ano yan?
Cronuts.
Cronuts. May palaman?
Ano yan?
Ginagawa ni Ed.
Ano? Kamusta?
Ang OA?
Ano si Bea? Parang pang VTR.
Dapat parang food vlogger. Pag food
Ano?
vlogger, reaction?
Oo, ano pa rin?
Ngayon lang ako nakatikim na ganitong kape. Parang iba tong kapeng to
Ano? Anong kakaiba?
Yung gumawa yata, pogi.
Hindi ka nga pwede food vlogger. Doon ka na sa broskies mo.
Mga shoe review lang. So, ngayon, we're on our way to Secret Bar. Oh. Ba, medyo dumadaan sa jungle. Wait lang. Wow! This is such a cool bar. While people are kayaking. We're here at this really cool cocktail bar. That's just 5 to 6 p.m. Hey! Awesome. From here. Picture tayo dito. Anong drinks? Anong drinks natin, kuya? Okay, patingin. Okay, these are their drinks. Our cabin neighbors are here and they have dogs with them. Oh my gosh. So cute. Hi! Hi! Oh my god, dogs! Hi! Hello! Why are you mad? Can you smell my dog? Hello! Hello! Hello!
Ang dami sinasabi sa'yo.
Nagsusumbong sa'yo.
Sino umawi sa'yo? Yung ba? Yung may umawi sa'yo?
After getting a few drinks from the cocktail bar, we're gonna hang out in the sunset pool kasi para maikot naman namin lahat ng pool kahit na may pool na kami dito. So yeah. So far, we just
Ilalabas ko na lang to, babe.
potatoed in our cabin. And now we are out again. Cabin.
You just ask for towels there?
Yeah, I think pwede naman.
I wish.
And here we are at the sunset pool. Have the pool to ourselves. Sakto yung chairs, walang tao. Ayun na, mabibinyagan na. Pag nabasa ka, okay lang yan. Hindi ka namin i-judge. Yan na, chill na chill oh. Saging on hand.
Potassium.
Yeah, kasi nang init.
Alam mo dapat dyan natin.
Okay, sa pool. Siya lang din sa pool. Ito talaga ang gusto namin mangyari sa vacation, yung wala lang ginagawa. Good morning! Sana namang morning. It's our last day today here in cabins. And naghintay lang kaming may magising. Itong mga to, nag-OOTD na. Nagpipicture na sila. We're just going to have our breakfast. And maybe do some archery. I don't know, may archery dito. Or fishing. We'll try it before we leave. And then have lunch. And then we'll see our way home to Manila. And I think if you guys are planning on, you know, doing like a quick getaway with your family, this is, I think, a perfect place. This is the perfect place, actually. Kung di masyadong malayong drive yung gusto nyo. So, yun.
For watching horror movies.
Tapos na kumain, tayo ay pupunta sa...
Archery range. Range ba tawag pag archery? Of course.
Ewan.
I think it's a range. Kasi diba firing range,
Oh.
archery range.
Sige, Google mo yan.
Hindi na ka lang mag-google.
Mag-archery kami. Kahit mainit, try namin. Kung
Dapat-
sino ba sa mga Blue Eagles na to ang magaling mag-archer.
Dapat pataasan tayong dalawa ng score.
Bakit?
Kung sino yung pinakamataas sa score, doesn't have to do the dishes for 1 whole week.
Gumagawa na naman ang kalokohan to. Paramihan daw.
Paramihan.
Maghugas ng... Sinentalo, maghugas ng plato for a week.
A week and we don't live in your house.
Sa bahay nyo.
Punta kami sa bahay.
Sa bahay nyo.
Okay, so couple challenge.
Hindi, so
May
kayo.
short challenge.
Short challenge. Yan na. Ito na ang unang eagle. Ito na yung eagle. Mga archer, oh. Uy!
In fairness,
Bitin. Oh, best of 4. Para sunod-sunod na.
Para you can adjust.
warm up lang.
Yeah.
Uy!
Uy! Uy!
Almost.
Alam mo na.
Okay na. So may mababa, may mataas.
Ah.
Sakto na.
Oh!
Hey. Wala. Sa black.
Ayos na.
Mukhang ako
Okay.
magugas ng pinggan ng 1 week.
Tignan natin.
Oh.
Taray.
Try mo.
John Wick.
Second archer of the day.
Second arch.
Second blue archer of the day.
Yan, diba?
Uy!
Lapit na.
Lapit na.
Pa.
Hirap, no?
Damn.
Uy!
Sorry.
Si Kuya alam na eh.
Ito na. The last eagle. The last blue archer. Oh! Galing, oh.
Oh.
Unfair.
Parang nasa border ng black. Maritisa sa board.
May matama.
Importante, nalagay mo dun.
Yes.
Oh.
Ito naman tayo yung mga Olympians. Mga Olympic bets
Hindi,
natin.
synchronized swimming, wala. Oh!
Oh.
Sa board na naman, oh.
Ito na po ang ating Olympian.
Yes.
Going for the 2028 LA Olympic.
Oh, grass. Very good.
Round 2 ng ating Olympian. Ay,
Ay,
sayang.
Damn.
Tinuruan na siya kasi sayang daw yung oras ni Kuya magpulot eh.
Nice form. Oh.
Oh,
Uy!
Board.
good job.
Sige lang ba tayo?
Sige.
Oh, yan.
Frustrate ako.
Oh, sige, ito na. Oh, yung ano daw, yung paa.
Wala pa ako sa...
Kasi may form mo. Submit natin to sa Olympic Committee.
Camo works of blending into the grass.
Yeah. Uy, board taas. Isa pa.
Parang ng apocalyptic end of the world.
Oh, ito pa. Babawi daw para di maglaba. Uy!
Kuya, sorry talaga. Sorry. Dun.
Kuya, wag nyo na ito papabalikin, ha?
Ayoko na nga.
Go na.
Sige. Uy! Hindi.
At least hindi.
Today is not your
lumipad.
day. Okay lang yan. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo for this week, I think may magpaparinig lagi na may kailangan, na hindi daw siya maghuhugas. Pero mahirap yung archery, ah. Dadalian ka, no? So, Philippine Olympic Committee, baka gusto niyo nang may ipapadala sa LA. Ayan, pwede niyo ipadala. We already checked out. Hindi pa pala, mag-check out pala kami, but we already left our cabin. Bye, cabin! And it was a fun weekend because it was a fun one. Ba't ba? Hirap pala mag-vlog, no? Ng bakasyon. Kasi gusto namin talaga magbakasyon. Pero sabi naman namin this is about relaxation. We just wanted to show you how cabins look like.
Thank you so much, Cabin Resorts.
Yes. And
Located in Bulacan.
saan sa Bulacan? Somewhere. Mawawaze nyo yan.
Actually.
Cabin Resorts PH. But yeah, it's such a cool place to hang with friends, family, jowa mo, di mo pa jowa, or kahit ikaw lang mag-isa. You can actually go here. We say our goodbyes.
Sorry,
Bye!
Bye! And we are saying goodbyes, or our goodbyes to our A. Asan na yung A mo, uy?